Welcome to TechMirror, the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026 that will make cleaning effortless and efficient. From smart navigation to powerful suction, these models are designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Whether you have pets, carpets, or hard floors, we have you covered. Check out all the details and links in the description. Number 5. The Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an impressive cleaning solution designed to make household chores effortless. With a powerful 5000 PA suction, this robotic vacuum effectively removes pet hair, dust, and debris from all types of floors, including hard floors and short pile to medium pile carpets. Its dual-function design allows simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, thanks to a 450 ml dustbin and a 300 ml water tank. This innovative combination reduces cleaning time by approximately 50%, making it a highly efficient tool for busy households. One of the standout features of the G8000 Max is its long-lasting battery, capable of providing up to 150 minutes of cleaning in quiet mode. When the battery runs low, the robot automatically returns to its charging station, ensuring it is always ready for the next cleaning session. The device supports 4 control methods, including app, remote, voice, and button operation, and offers 4 cleaning modes: Spot, Edge, Zigzag, and Manual, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience. The ultra-slim design, measuring just 2.99 inches in height, enables the vacuum to reach under beds, sofas, and cabinets. Smart sensors prevent collisions and falls, guiding the robot safely around obstacles and stairs. Its large wheels make transitions between different surfaces smooth and efficient. Users have praised the G8000 Max for its quiet operation, ease of setup, and exceptional cleaning performance. This versatile robot vacuum and mop combo is ideal for homes with pets, multiple floor types, and anyone seeking a convenient, reliable, and highly effective cleaning solution. It is a valuable investment for maintaining a clean and comfortable living environment. Number 4. The Roborock Qrevo Series QV35S Robot Vacuum and Mop is a state-of-the-art cleaning solution that combines power, intelligence, and convenience for a hands-free cleaning experience. With its all-in-one dock, this robot vacuum offers unmatched autonomy, including self-washing and air drying of the mop, automatic dust emptying, and auto-refilling of the water tank. The dock allows over 7 weeks of maintenance-free cleaning and can handle mopping tasks across up to 3,552 square feet, making it ideal for larger homes. Equipped with 10,000 PA Hyperforce suction, the QV35S delivers exceptional performance, removing embedded dirt, pet hair, and stubborn debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Its dual anti-tangle system, featuring a rubberized floating main brush and an arc-shaped side brush, ensures hair does not wrap around the brushes, which is particularly useful in homes with pets. The dual liftable spinning mops, spinning at up to 200 revolutions per minute, replicate the effectiveness of hand mopping, while the 10mm lift avoids wetting short pile carpets. Adjustable water flow levels allow precise control for different floor types. Advanced reactive tech obstacle avoidance, powered by structured light, ensures safe navigation around furniture and clutter, while PreciSense LiDAR navigation creates accurate 360-degree maps, supporting up to 4 floors for efficient multi-level cleaning. Smart app control allows customization of cleaning schedules, room-specific cleaning, and temporary or restricted zones, making the QV35S a truly intelligent device. Users have praised its quiet operation, thorough cleaning, and convenience. The Roborock Qrevo Series QV35S is an ideal investment for anyone seeking a high-performance, autonomous, and versatile robotic vacuum and mop. Number 3. The Roborock Qrevo Curv S5X Robot Vacuum and Mop is a premium cleaning solution designed to provide a seamless, efficient, and hands-free cleaning experience. With an impressive 18,500 PA Hyperforce suction and Duo Divide bristle brush, this robotic vacuum effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and stubborn debris from carpets, hard floors, and tight gaps. It is particularly ideal for pet owners, as it handles long hair and pet hair with ease, thanks to the revolutionary dual zero tangling system on both the main and side brushes. The FlexiArm side brush and edge mopping system deliver exceptional coverage, ensuring corners and edges are thoroughly cleaned. The extendable right side mop dynamically adjusts to corners for precise cleaning, while the dual liftable spinning mops with 10mm auto mop lifting allow simultaneous mopping and vacuuming. Adjustable water flow levels and a spinning speed of 200 revolutions per minute provide streak-free and spotless results on all floor types. The multifunctional Dock 3.0 elevates convenience with hot water mop washing, warm air drying, auto dust emptying for up to 7 weeks, and auto tank refilling. This ensures the mops remain fresh, floors stay clean, and maintenance is minimal. The Carpet Boost Plus system enhances carpet cleaning with a 99% hair pickup rate and multiple cleaning passes for thorough care. With Roborock Smart Plan and app control, users can customize cleaning schedules, avoid specific areas, and monitor cleaning progress in real time. Advanced reactive tech obstacle avoidance and LiDAR navigation ensure safe and efficient movement around furniture and obstacles. Users praise the Qrevo Curv S5X for its quiet operation, reliability, and ability to navigate around pets and toys, making it a versatile and highly effective home cleaning companion. Number 2. The bObsweep Bio Auto Empty Robot Vacuum and Mop is a revolutionary cleaning solution that combines advanced technology, eco-conscious design, and convenience for modern homes. Designed in the United States and Canada, Bio uses bObsweep's quantum simultaneous localization and mapping (QSLAM) technology with LiDAR laser vision to navigate spaces with exceptional precision. Within minutes, Bio scans and maps the home, color-coding rooms, and plotting the most efficient cleaning paths without requiring any training runs. It glides smoothly over various floor types, ensuring no corner or debris is left untouched. Equipped with 4500 PA suction power, Bio effectively lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, stone, and tile. Its dual brush system, consisting of a main brush and tandem side brush, ensures thorough cleaning along baseboards and hard-to-reach areas. The multifunctional cleaning hub also features motorized wet mopping, leaving floors polished and streak-free. The auto-empty 100-day dock enhances convenience by compressing debris into a 3.5-liter activated charcoal-lined dust bag, controlling odors while reducing maintenance. Users can control Bio via the bObsweep app, adjusting vacuum and mop settings, defining no sweep and no mop zones, and reviewing cleaning history. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home for hands-free operation. Bio is constructed from bio-based plastic, offering durability similar to traditional materials while using renewable natural sources such as corn and plant oils for a sustainable design. Privacy-conscious users will appreciate that Bio does not record images of homes or occupants. Users have praised Bio for its exceptional cleaning performance and ease of use. With its intelligent navigation, powerful suction, eco-friendly construction, and comprehensive cleaning capabilities, the bObsweep Bio Robot Vacuum and Mop is an ideal choice for those seeking efficiency, sustainability, and reliability in one advanced device. Number 1. The iRobot Roomba Max 705 Combo Robot with Auto Wash Dock is a groundbreaking cleaning solution that redefines convenience and efficiency in home care. Designed for a comprehensive clean, this robot vacuum and mop combo seamlessly transitions between vacuuming and mopping while navigating around obstacles and furniture with precision. Its advanced integrated Clearview Pro LiDAR navigation creates detailed 3D maps of the home, enabling the robot to clean efficiently room to room without interruption. Equipped with 175 times more suction power in spot clean mode compared to previous Roomba 600 series models, the Max 705 combo tackles dust, pet hair, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. The dual rubber brushes, dual-edge sweeping brushes, and Carpet Boost system work together to remove deep-down dirt from wall to wall. Heated mopping with the Power Spin roller mop spins at 200 revolutions per minute and applies consistent pressure for streak-free floors. Smart Scrub enhances cleaning in high-traffic areas for an extra deep clean. A first-of-its-kind protective cover prevents carpets from getting wet, allowing uninterrupted cleaning. The Auto Wash Dock further elevates convenience by auto-emptying debris, washing and drying the roller mop, refilling cleaning solution, and supporting up to 75 days of hands-free operation. Precision Vision AI technology ensures the robot avoids cords, pet waste, and other obstacles while prioritizing areas that require extra attention. Controlled via the Roomba Home app or voice commands through Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, the Max 705 Combo offers fully customizable cleaning. Users have praised its thorough performance and ability to handle large, cluttered areas. For those seeking a powerful, autonomous, and intelligent cleaning solution, the iRobot Roomba Max 705 Combo is an exceptional investment. Thank you for watching our countdown of the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026. These innovative devices make cleaning effortless, saving time and keeping your home spotless. Whether you have pets, carpets, or hard floors, there is a perfect option for every household. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Subscribe for more reviews and smart home tips.